how is AI transforming the finance industry, particularly for non-tech roles?
Absolutely. So when you talk about the finance, there are a lot of nuances we need to take care, right? For example, let's say if you are in India, right? There are so when you are in India, I give you an example, right? When you're writing or filing your income tax return, right? You would need to spare one day if you're not going through any professional, right? There are a lot of calculation you're supposed to do, right? Imagine no, these kind of a financial evaluations and calculation can be done in a fraction of a second, right? You put all your income information, your expenses, your receipts, everything, and the AI is going to calculate everything for you in the blink of an eye, right? Imagine you are as an individual financial auditor, right? You want to audit the financial statements of a particular company. Right now, what we are doing is we pull out the Excel sheet. You want to go manually do the checks and balances, right? Technically, it is going to take so much of time. If you're using an AI tools, there are many tools you can use, right? You can upload all your Excel sheets, all your knowledge statement, all your bank statements, all your financial statement, and you can ask AI tool to do so. You can just use your human natural language conversation, and then the AI tool is going to do for you. So there are a lot of mundane tasks in the day-to-day process, like invoicing auditing, bank statement auditing, auditing the financial statement, making your team ready for the payroll, or doing this normal calculations of the financials and statistics, like doing a P&L, etc. Right? Everything can be automated for the financial individual using an normal AI, free of the cost AI tools as well. Yeah.
Wonderful piece of information, Chintan. The next question is, what are some innovative uses of AI in customer service?
Absolutely. So customer service is the one of the most talked role about when we start about an
Yeah,
AI discussion, right?
true.
Because you cannot have your human agents available 24/7 to scale your customer service, right? And even though, let's say, you're a
Right.
company, you're able to afford it, it's technically not possible to scale it. So how it's going to help is, so it is going to enhance the customer experience CS executive's role by giving them a predefined scenarios. So while, let's say, I'm on the call with you, right? How AI is going to help you is, while we are on the call, what we are discussing, it is going to create the knowledge base parallelly, and it's going to pull out the answer for me. So not only providing the 24/7 support, but also enhancing the current customer service representatives capabilities as well, right? Imagine you are deploying a chatbot on your website, which takes all the information from your website, your product. It's going to make a life a lot of easier for your customer as well. And you're only transiting the critical question to your human agents, right? So you're enhancing your capability of the human agents. They can invest more time in the critical questions, as well as you are making the entire process productive as well. Even for the, let's say, a supervisor of the customer representative, or even the product team as well. With this lot of information, they can have a detailed analytics where they can drill down and see an actual problem which is happening behind the scenes for the customer support, and they can pin it point, and they can work on it. So customer service industry and CS industry is going to get highly impacted in a positive way with this AI tools out there.
Yeah, I think this brings me a thought that the only way, we know now what all AI can do, but how it can be done is probably through upgrading each and every person in the workforce. You have to upskill and upgrade yourself. Do you agree with me?
100%. So if you see right now, and coming back to this point, you need to upgrade and enhance your skills, but in a most
Yeah,
systematic way. Imagine,
right.
right? You're having a plethora of information. The lot of you Google something about AI course, you'll get like 2
Yeah,
lakhs courses. Oh, what I'm seeing there,
okay.
right? How I'm going to
Yeah,
learn from it. So imagine you need to learn, you need to enhance your skills, irrespective of any role you are into, but you would do it systematic. right? If you're doing it
Right, right.
structured way, then it becomes very easy for you to learn those skills, get your skill assess as well, and then you apply those skills on your job role as well. So it's not only about the learning, but the systematic learning of the AI is going to help everyone. Imagine you're going to see a
Yeah,
courses which are like 6 months courses, 2 years courses.
right.
Imagine do you have a time right now and you're going to invest 2 years to learn an AI? No, you don't need to technically, right? What people are doing it is they are learning an AI in a very different and inappropriate way. Imagine I am a finance expert, for example, or I'm a
Hmm.
marketing expert. I would like to enhance my domain knowledge rather than I would start learning about the programming. All the courses
Of course.
you see out there, they start with the programming, you learn the Python, and then you become a very basic engineer which you don't want to become, right? And then you're learning
Yeah.
or investing time something which is you're not required to do, right? So as a non-technical professional, rather you focus yourself into the domain knowledge, enhancing your domain knowledge, and then you use these tools in a very systematic way along with the regulations and ethical considerations. So let's say you don't need to know the technicality part of it, but imagine, let's say Rohini is heading her event department. She has to select a lot of tools. If she is knowing about the tools and AI tools, then she'll be able to make the right decisions. That what tools should need to go for? Are they right tools? Are they having proper ethical regulations followed for the particular geography? Right. So it's the systematic learning of an AI is an extremely important piece rather than going in a haywire manner to learn about the AI. Yep.